If you're new here, welcome. This is how you guys can make like $5,000 per day. As you can see right here, this is basically $2,000 per day. I'm only 13 days into the month here, and anyone could do this, guys. Anyone could do this. This right here, this is Maxbounty. This is $3,000 to $4,000 per day. So basically, I'm around just with these two income streams. That's $5,000 per day, and that's insane. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I have plans, but mostly all my money goes to savings. Okay, that I make. And then all you've got to do, okay, is just start running traffic every day. That's all you got to focus on, guys. You just got to run traffic, run traffic, run traffic. And the more traffic you send, the more money you're going to make. A lot of traffic and high converting offers and funnels and everything, you'll crush it. You'll make a lot of money and you will see conversions come in. It's that simple. If you want to go more advanced with the funnels, you can upgrade over time. You can level up just like a